Probably I've actually done that, haven't I? Invite new member, team and guest. I've did that. Edit team info, access, create a team. So that actually, we'll create a team and then we'll edit some info. So let's talk about teams, right? So this is your teams, your departments, your mini groups of people. So I want to add a new team. What shall we call the new team? Maybe we'll call it sales. Let's call it marketing and social media. So the reason I'm putting this outside of sales is because certain people outside of the sales department might need to do social media. You might want your whole team to be on social media or marketing. You want them to know what's happening. You want them to input. You want the stores manager to say, hey, we've got this great new camera, to whoever writes the social media post. Here's some info, or here's a post for it. So first thing we're going to do is invite people to it. Add people by invitation, or you can share an invite. So I'm going to add people. So I can add everybody from Happy Me. I might turn the technicians off. I can turn Simon Stores off, but I can also put here Simon Stores, and that will add, that will find him, like tech. So I can type in their name and it will find them. So I can bulk add everybody in the company, or, one at a time, type in someone's name. Send invites, right? So now that everybody's in, you're going to get invites for people. When I go back to it now, I've got on the top here, everybody was involved. So from that team, I can say, need a new social media Facebook page, setting up. What do you think? Campfire. Campfire's just for chatting, right? Message board, add a post, add a message. Social media links, and you might put Facebook, put it in a link, facebook.com. I lost mine, Paul Nicholson, go. Link. Oh. Unlink. Yeah, I didn't actually highlight the link, did I? Enter URL. Or maybe I didn't put a proper URL. Paul Nicholson, go. Link, and I might put all the links there. Post the message so that when someone comes to the message board, they've got, here's the social media links. So they can jump to the social media post. Obviously a to-do list. You might want to put in June social media links, Facebook post, Instagram post, LinkedIn article. It might be separate, might be full to-do list, right? So you've got a to-do list for June. Automatic check-ins. Seen anything recently that would on a team be interesting? Automatic check-in. Oh, new question. Social media post ready for sending today, right? And you may want to send a social media post out every Wednesday, once a week on a Wednesday. So at 9 o'clock in the morning, you're going to send out to whoever's in charge. You might not want it to be to everyone. Maybe Sarah's in charge of the social media posting. So every Wednesday, you're going to send a message at 9 o'clock. Are you sorted? And if not, she can put, no, not. Can you help me? I need some help doing this, or something like that. Obviously, you can upload files if you've got new pictures. If, say, you've got a new picture for background, go to background image for blog posts, right? This might be your featured blog post image. When I post this, don't notify anybody. Yeah, you don't need to tell anybody. So they know when they come. So if I go back to Sarah and refresh Sarah, got marketing here, right? So now when I go, back to marketing, I've got that file. It's the default background for social media posts, for blog posts, whatever that might be. You can get it, schedule, add an event. So we know that we've got to post every Wednesday, so let's have a meeting. Oh no, I hate meetings. Add an event. All day, hell no. On Tuesday, that's June, that's going to be way too long. Here we go, this day. Tuesday the 29th, add an event. So 29th at 1 p.m. till 1:30. It's always nice to put funky numbers in. You send meetings out that would be from 1:04 to 1:17. Then people might actually turn up. Who do I want to meet with? This is the description. How do I add people? Sarah, Simon, Ian, maybe the boss. I'm not the boss. I work for myself. I'm on my own. I like to think I'm the boss. I'm also the skivvy and do all the work. But monthly blog post catch up, whatever it is, right? Post this event, notify these people. So that's the app telling me that I've got a notification. Hey, so this is Paul Nicholson. You've got a meeting. Didn't title it actually. I can edit it. Monthly blog catch up. Update this event. So when I go to activity, my schedule, I've got now, look, monthly blog catch up on the 29th. So I'm now seeing stuff like that, right? So what else in Teams? Like say you have your chat, you're going to have your message board, you're going to have your to-dos, you're going to have your check-ins, and you're pretty much in. You're getting that the point is it's repetition. That in the HQ, it's the same 6 boxes. In the Teams, it's the same 6 boxes. And then when we get to projects, it's going to be the same 6 boxes. Okay, so what's next? Can we get me my to-do list back? To-do. Oh, edit team info. I'm guessing you would just go to, you'd have to be the manager. You would go to the 3 dots, rename this team, right? So this one, rename sales department. So pretty obvious, pretty much click and edit. You might want to put, edit name, a description. Sorry, voice going. Team discussion. It's for a team. Done. All right.